The diagram shows a sector OBC of a circle with the center O and radius is x plus 6. The point on OB and D is on the OC such that OA equals OD equals to 6. Angle BOC equals to BOC angle equals to 50 degrees. Given that the perimeter of the sector OBC is equals to 2 times the perimeter of the triangle OAD. Find the value of x. They are asking to find the value of x. We have to build this equation in terms of x and find the solution for x. We can get the sector perimeter by BC plus OB plus OC, no? So sector perimeter, I am going to write sector perimeter equals to BC plus OB plus OC. BC is going to be what? 50 over 360 into 2 phi r. 2 times 5 times r. Radius is how much? It's going to be x plus 6. X plus 6 plus OB and OC, they are the radius. Again 2 times x plus 6. I'm not going to solve this fully. I'm just trying to keep it as simple as possible. I'm going to just divide here. So substituting for phi and dividing by fractions is not going to be helpful for me at all. So I can have here x plus c as a common factor out. So that part is going to be like x plus 6 times. I get 5 over 18 plus 2. I'm keeping it. Now I'm going to keep this until I get the perimeter of the triangle OAD. How to get that one? Now they have given that OA equals OD. This is an isosceles triangle. Now this 6 is fine, but we need this AD length. We need the AD length. I think you are aware of the theory that if we make a perpendicular from the vertex in an isosceles triangle to the third side, it's going to be perpendicular. Mark this midpoint of AD. This is going to be the midpoint also. This will be midpoint. So AD as E. We need AD length. So if we find ED length, job is done. So from the symmetry, we can take this as 25 degrees and simplifying ED now. From the OED angle, I'm writing OED triangle, I can write sine. I'm going to use sine ratio. Sine 25 equals to how much? ED over ED divided by OD. So ED length is equals to OD. OD length is given as 6. 6 into sine 25. Sine 25. 2.54 centimeters. Now we can find the perimeter of the triangle OAD. So that perimeter is equals to perimeter OAD is equals to 6 plus this amount, 2.54 into 2. Keep in mind ED is just half of the AD length. So how much we are getting? 17.08 centimeters. Now we can equalize these two using the relationship given to us and find a value for x. You can use this relationship now. Now is the time for us to get use of this relationship. OBC perimeter, we have already found it in terms of x. X plus 6 times 5 over 8 plus 2 equals to 2 times what have they given to us? 2 times OAD, 17.08. I'm going to get this value here. Is it 8? It's not 8, it's 18, no? I should have written 18 here. Yep. 2.87. So this is like x plus 6 into 2.87 is equals to this amount, 2.17.08. So if I make x as the subject, x will be equals to 2.2 into 17.08 divided by 2.87 minus 6. We get 5.9. They're asking for three significant figures. Anyways, it's going to be 5.9. 5.9 centimeters. We are getting 5.9 centimeters. Look at the way, little by little we build the equation. First, depending on the given data, we should understand that we need to build the equation to substitute for this one. So part by part we built. We first find the sector perimeter of OBC, then find the perimeter of OAB using the knowledge of trigonometry. No? Then equalize and just solve the simple equation.